All right, so here we are, working on the corn cooler project. Now we've got the cooler ready, and we've got the samplings of corn. There's a sample from Basler's Market, 3 ears for $1.50 from Florida. Here is the sampling of Indiana corn, and this was 12 ears, or baker's dozen, for $4.50. And here is the Kroger, which is our grocery chain here. That's from Florida, and that was 10 ears for $3. Alright, as you can see, it's about 2:45 or so, 20 minutes of 3, and we have got the water boiling, and we've got Madeline singing some songs in there. I guess while we're waiting for the water to boil, go ahead and have a nice cold beverage, and then check back in with you in a bit. And there's a bouncing ball from the little Roxy girl.
How are you going to keep that warm?
How am I going to keep what warm?
The corn.
It's in the cooler.
We're not eating for a few hours.
Aha. So you want to know how long it takes to cook the corn in the cooler?
Sure.
Is that the question?
Sure.
Aha. So what's the question?
We're not eating for a few hours. How are we going to keep it cold, warm?
Well, it could take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2.5 hours to cook. This is what this documentary experiment is about. Over and out. Going back to the beer. Okay, it's just a little bit after 3 o'clock here at Putnam Farm, and we have got the cooler. I brought it in because carrying the pans of water out to the porch wasn't working. So I just brought it in, and I have filled it up with the hot water. Now, if you take a look here, you are going to see some incredible steam. Ready? Woo, boy! And there's the corn cooking in the cooler. Corn cooler. Now we're going to cap that up nice and tight, and we're going to head it out back out onto the porch while I have one more beer maybe, and we'll see how long this takes. I guess around 3:30 we'll sample in here, and we'll see. So we'll check back in with you in a bit. Over and out. Alright. Now almost 3:35. We're ready to check out the cooler. Let's see what we've got here. Pretty serious steam. And I'm going to go ahead and select an ear. Oh! Wowza! Yeah, that's hot. Okay. Why don't you get a shot from here, camera lady?
Here you go.
We will see if it's done. Good old salted butter on it. We'll give it a shot. Here we go. And that is good corn. That is good corn. It's done. Half an hour. That's good. 2 thumbs up. Cooler corn. Okay. As you can see, I just enjoyed my first piece of cooler corn. It was good. Very good. In fact, I am going to go over and get another ear. Let's just check this out. This is the little Roxy chewing on our car. And here's our experiment. As you can see, there's still some steam coming. And this time, that first ear was a piece of Indiana corn. Now I think I'm going to try a piece of this Florida corn. Whew! That is hot. That is wicked, wicked hot. Hot! Okay, let's coat that up. Wow! Wicked hot. Okay, taking it over to the plate. And we'll see how good this is done. little salted butter on her. How do you butter your corn? That's a good question. How do you butter your corn? I'd like to hear some feedback here from the viewers. You know, some people actually put butter on the bread and put the corn on the bread. It's one way of doing it. Alright, well, I'm going to pause this for a minute. Enjoy this here corn. I'll be back in a sec.
Well, we're back, and I'm full. As you can see, I had an extra ear while you were gone. I did. It was tasty. So basically, I've sampled all three. I've sampled the Basler's Market, the Kroger, and the locally grown Indiana corn. All very, very good. Very delicious. I would have to say presentation, the Basler's definitely was the best because it looked full and delicious. For taste, I would have to say the Kroger was about the best. Had a nice sweet taste, surprising for just an all yellow corn. Well, that's Cooler Corn. That's the Cooler Corn project. It works. So any myths out there, just take a look at this video, send your friends to look at it. Leave me a comment right there. Yeah, leave me a little something something, because I worked hard on this. And the only thing I'd do different, I would have a pair of tongs next to the cooler, because that water's still hot. And our guests are about an hour and a half away, and I'm sure that corn's still going to be tasty and warm inside that cooler. So my partner Jody, she said to me, she said, "What's the point of all this foolishness? You could have just done it on the stove. Could have done it on the grill." And she sounds like that. Well, I think the point is, you can do this and you can take it. It's portable. You can take this anywheres. We've got a cooler full of corn. We could take it to the lake and go boating. We could take it to the stadium and go tailgating. Lots of purposes. Lots of uses. Well, I want to sign off. But anyways, Cooler Corn. You saw it here. Yeah. Putnam Farm. Oh yeah. So I'm back. Just one more quick thought. When you shuck the corn, try and leave a little handle. Yeah. Makes it easy. Little handle. See you later.